to 10, gaano kahanda kayo po at yung ating mga kapwa prosecutors na hahawak po nitong impeachment case dito sa mangyayaring trial na magsisimula po on July 6?
Well, I would say that we are already at 9 out of 10, no? What we need only are little polishing on some evidence and some documents that we will be presenting. Kasi if you will remember, DJ, almost similar grounds to from the 19th Congress. And during the first impeachment, nag-aral na rin kami. As a matter of fact, yung mga prosecutors na assigned in the respective articles during the first impeachment, siya rin yung kinonsider namin for the second impeachment dito, no? So, in terms of familiarity, in terms of convenience and comfort, I am very much convinced we have achieved that already. So you're asking me in the scale of 1 to 10, for example, how prepared are we? We are at 9 out of 10 in the scale of our
Wow.
preparation already.
Wow, wala pang July 6 ha. Nasa Mayo pa lang tayo, 9 out of 10 na po kayo.
Oo.